I'm Reagan, Occupational Therapist and Product Officer here at VOCiC. Usually, I'm here talking about clinical benefits and mobility specs, but today, I'm here to show you VOCiC. VOCiC moved into this warehouse around September 2023, and honestly, they filled it up pretty fast. What you're seeing here is approximately 26,400 square feet of office and warehouse space. Today, I'll be walking you through our showroom, our warehouse, and our daily operations so you can see exactly where your VOCiC products are coming from. Here's VOCic's showroom and outlet store. Here you can find VOCic's most popular products, including Amazon's best-selling Z21 Rollator Walker and the AX35 lift chair. We also have the latest models of the PacGo Rollator Z35, the Resistance Rollator Z63, the Upright Rollator Z22, and the Ace Turn Mobility Scooters D62 and D32. Check out VOCic's specialty scooters too, the ultralight, safe, and customizable D71 and the Fold Go Revolutionary Foldable D91. And also, our full series of lift chairs includes AX07, 08, 09, 10, 15, and 25. VOCiC also showcases transfer aids like the AY02, 03, and 06, which have been popular with individuals coming in for hands-on trials at our office. If you're local or nearby, feel free to stop by our office and try out our products. We would love for you to give them a try. The VOCiC team is here to walk you through all you're interested in products, features, and answer all your questions to find what best fits your needs. When you're ready to purchase, you can either pick up right here in the store or you can have it shipped right to your door at no extra cost. Now, let's take you into VOCic's warehouse. When the products arrive at VOCic's warehouse, the first thing that happens is the logistics team checks them in and inspects everything carefully. Each item is recorded into VOCic's system and stored in its designated location. When it comes to getting goods into the warehouse, VOCiC makes it seamless. Their inbound system tracks everything in real time, making sure every item is scanned, sorted, and ready to go without any hiccups. The VOCiC team sorts and stores their products by category and model so that everything is easy to locate and ship. All right, let's check out the sorting area. So with all these products, how do you find exactly what you need without breaking a sweat?
When I get the pick list, I just get the PDA, scan the barcode, and it will show me that location.
Easy.
Easy.
Now, once the order is in, how do you make sure the right product goes to the right person?
So on the pick list, we scan the barcode. That's going to show us the location with the PDA. And this is the location. We scan it, and then we double check. We scan the barcode on the cardboard, so just to double check is this correct item.
I see you're moving really fast. How many orders would you say you ship out every day?
On Monday, 360, Tuesday and Friday about 160.
And for the final stretch, VOCic's shipping techs picks the fastest routes to get your orders to your door. We've automated the labels and tracking so you can sit back and watch your package arrive right on time. So what actually happens when you place an order with VOCiC? The moment you submit your order online, our VOCiC team receives your order. We print out the order label, the product is picked and packed. The shipment is scheduled for daily pickup. Once the carrier collects the package, you may track your package on the purchase platform. You're all set, just sit back and wait for the delivery. And if you have any questions or concerns, just give VOCiC a call at 833-879-9376. The support team is always happy to help. The people at VOCiC work hard every day to make sure that they deliver reliable mobility aids to the people that need them. Do you need a mobility aid to add to your daily routine? VOCiC offers free shipping from Ontario, California, and their support team is ready to answer all your questions. Give us a call today at 833-879-9376 or visit www.vocic.com to learn more. Bye!